Divide 684 by 6 in a long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 8 and 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 684 divided by 6 is 114. So this much for today and thanks for watching.